How to delete an account on Google Authenticator. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Authenticator. You'll find all the codes. If you swipe one code to the right, you'll find this kind of screen pop up, which is edit code name. To simply remove it, simply swipe the code to the left and then click on remove account. After you have clicked on remove account, the specific account on Google Authenticator will be deleted. Earlier you had access to same options in one, but now there is no such options. You need to swipe right or left, and this is how to delete an account on Google Authenticator. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.